Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit some home settings in Heartopia. So for instance, you don't want like strangers going into your house or like eating your food and stuff, and you just want to restrict it to yourself or just friends only. Just go to your watch here and go to settings, go to the home settings, and then here there's a bunch of options you can choose from. Use furniture, use interactive furniture, functional furniture, drive vehicle, consume food, open door, drive vehicle at home, and interact with island management terminal. I don't really know what that is, but for instance, you don't want people to go in your house. So on the open door one, just select self only or friends only, and it's going to automatically change it so only you can enter your house. Make sure you do close your house door though. Oh, why is my house so far? But basically, I didn't know you can close your door before because I just played this game, but you can actually just close your door and people won't enter your house if you turned that setting on. I don't have it on because I honestly don't mind. I don't even have like foods out as well, and like people can't steal my furniture, so it's fine. But you are able to just close your door here and people won't be able to enter your house. But if your door is open, people are able to still enter your house, obviously. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!